Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm super excited because we're about to throw my E85 tuned Mustang GT on the dyno. So my Mustang is a 2020 Mustang GT with the 10-speed automatic. I have the 355 gears and I have the Lund E85R tune on right now. And I have a catback exhaust and a K&N air filter. I'm curious to see what it puts down. My guess is 420 wheel horsepower. I mean, I'll be happy with 420 wheel horsepower because I have to keep in mind that I am in Vegas here and the conditions aren't the best. You know, we have elevation here and we also have high temperatures. Those two things will definitely affect the dyno number, but we'll see what it puts down. And I think they use a SAE smoothing 5 or whatever that is. I'll ask the dyno guy when I get there if it's like a dyno jet or Mustang dyno or whatever they call it. I think it's a dyno jet. All right guys, we are on the road. We're only 0.1 mile away of Eurotech Tuning. That's where I'm getting it done. So if you're in Las Vegas, Eurotech Tuning, they do have a dyno. I think it's a 4-wheel dyno too. So if you have like an all-wheel drive car, you can take it on their dyno as well. All right guys, Eurotech Tuning is right over there where that Focus ST is. And wow, what a zoo it is over here. Last time I came here, there wasn't this many people, but let's go see what's going on. All right, folks, they have the Mustang on the dyno now. They're getting everything strapped down. They have this really cool, huge fan there to help cool it off. And let's see what happens. Oh, wheels are spinning. It was consistent for all 3 runs, and it looks like it's about 430 or so wheel horsepower. What do you think?
I mean, it's stock, right?
It has the E85 tune, that's it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What gear did you do it in?
5th.
5th gear?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that the right gear to do it in?
Yeah, everyone was Mustang for this 5th gear.
Okay, because this is a 10-speed automatic.
Really?
Yeah, so 7th gear is 1-to-1.
Oh, everything I was reading online said 5th. I can try 7th.
Yeah, 7th is 1-to-1.
You might lose power.
That's okay.
One more at 7th.
Okay. Alright, looks like he's going to do one more in 7th gear. Looks like he did the runs in 5th gear. He did the runs in 5th gear. Yeah. On the 10-speed, 7th is 1-to-1.
Yeah.
So. I know it. And 5th gear put down 435 wheel horsepower. So that's pretty good, yeah.
What's you doing right now?
Just E85 tune, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's not bad. My guess was 420 wheel, but we'll see in 7th gear what it puts down. It's really consistent though, like all 3 runs were all like pretty much exactly the same.
Really?
Yeah. So how's the new Gladiator?
It's fun.
6-speed manual?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta do a video on the Gladiator soon.
What?
Did 448 wheel. Holy crap, that is good. Holy crap. Yeah, it went 448.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that was 7th for sure, because you went all the way to like 180 or something.
Yeah, it was like 160.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's showing like 180 on here. I don't know if that's inaccurate or...
Oh, it could have been.
Oh, yeah, it's inaccurate because the speedometer stops at 160, even if you go past 160.
There is a speed limiter, yeah. You're not supposed to go past it.
Yeah.
Stop at that.
Wow, that's pretty good. I'm really happy with those numbers. My assumption was 420. So
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's really good.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's super consistent too.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Mustangs are always like that. So it's like a very linear graph, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right, guys. Mustang put down some really good numbers. 448 wheel horsepower and 416 wheel torque. And that was in 7th gear. The first 2 runs were in 5th gear. So the last one he did it in 7th. But yeah, the Mustang did really good. Chris, what do you think? How'd the Mustang do?
Amazing.
Because we were both guessing around 420,
Yeah,
430.
430.
And it put down more than that, so it did really good. What do you guys think of the dyno results? I'm pretty impressed. I'll put a picture up on the screen so you guys can really analyze it if you'd like. But it's definitely putting down some power. And with drivetrain loss factored in, it's roughly around like 510-ish at the crank. So E85 tune only and a catback exhaust, and you're at 510 horsepower from Ford's 460. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.